we mentioned earlier, the allocation of the gas amounts is essential for Venus. Other than its hot surface, which does not allow life, the gaseous formation in its atmosphere doesn't allow life on its surface either. The high amount of carbon dioxide proportionally affects its temperature and pressure. Allah said, "Those whom Allah in His plan willeth to guide, He openeth their breast to Islam. Those whom He willeth to leave straying, He maketh their breast close and constricted, as if they had to climb up to the skies. Thus doth Allah heap the penalty on those who refuse to believe. There is no one more unjust than the one who does himself injustice, and denied and disbelieved in the inventor of the heavens and the earth. For his life is narrowness, and will stand blind in the day of resurrection, for no reason except that he denied Allah's signs and was arrogant. This is the likeness of one who ascends in the heaven. The more man would ascend in the heaven, the more he suffers from narrow breath, since the oxygen